Hey everybody, how we doing today? Uh, Happy Saturday. This is week 2 of Eat, Sleep, Mix, Repeat. And we have some pretty good recipes to review today. We're going to have Mad Hatter by MopHead himself. We got Summer Dreamin by Matthew Schiefer. And Mike Montero's recipe, which is kind of like a Fruit Loops variation. I will have links down in the description. Mike's recipe is not on ELR, but I'll link a picture to his recipe. The first one I want to go over is very different. Mad Hatter from MopHead. It's got a very unique flavor. It's very different. I've never had anything like this before. The recipe reads 3% Capella chocolate glazed donut, 1% Flavor Art coconut, 3% TFA coconut candy, 4% Liquid Barn chocolate or lava cake, 2% lime Tahiti distilled from Flavor Art, 2% vanilla whipped cream Capella, and 1.5% Vienna cream. This is very interesting. Very interesting. It's definitely chocolate, which I've said before. I haven't vaped too many chocolate vapes. But it's pretty nice. It's weird. It's definitely weird, MopHead. Well, you definitely taste some chocolate and some coconut, and you definitely get that lime. That lime gives it kind of like a little twist. You know, you can really, that lime really shines. It's definitely different. I haven't been able to all day vape it, but it is different, and it is pretty good. Definitely outside of what I'm used to vaping, but I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I'll have to edit that out. But yeah, it's nice. It's definitely something different. I think you did a good job on it. I think I'm gonna give this, 3.5, 3.5, 3 stars. It's definitely different. I think if you got the flavors, definitely give it a mix. It's real smooth. It's real smooth. You don't get much throat hit. There's the lime's throwing off a little different twist in the flavor, which can be a little different, but it's a pretty nice vape. It's smooth. It's creamy. It's got a good mouthfeel. I like it. It's pretty good. Alright, and then next we will go into Mike Montero's recipe, which is actually the one that I've been vaping on quite a bit. I enjoy it. I enjoy it quite much. As I was vaping it, I forgot what the actual recipe was. It reminds me of one of my recipes I would make. It's got quite a few flavors in it. It's got TFA fruit circles at 5%, 2% Capella glazed donut, 2% sweet strawberry, 3% cereal 27, 1% berry crunch, 2% TFA marshmallow, 1% TFA whipped cream, 0.5% flavor art Zapola, 2% TFA dairy milk, 2% vanilla bean ice cream. I forgot which one he said that was. 0.5% flavor art joy, 1/4% super sweet, and 0.5% TFA sweetener. As I've been vaping this past few days, I didn't really look at the recipe, but it is definitely a pretty nice Fruit Loop variation. You get a little bit of that strawberry. You get a lot of the fruit circles. It's very fruit circle heavy. It's not bad though. It doesn't have like any of that lemon pledge taste or any weird off notes whatsoever. And then the donuts and the marshmallows really kind of, you get a really nice mouthfeel, but it also doesn't really pronounce itself too well as being a donut Fruit Loop type thing. But it's real nice. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a real nice recipe. It's a little busy, but I think it all kind of comes together better. I'm thinking maybe if you upped the glazed donut and the Zeppole a little bit, it'd probably bring out the donut base a little bit better. Because a lot of what I'm getting when I bake this is pretty much fruit circles, Fruit Loops, but it's pretty good. I like it. It's a nice vape, well done for having many flavors in it. I just kind of wish you could taste more of the donut with kind of fruit circles and Fruit Loop variation more in the background. But I like this one a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and give this about 3.5, 4 stars. I think if you had all these ingredients, go ahead and mix it up, because it is pretty tasty. It is pretty tasty. It's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one about 3.5, 4 stars, because I really do enjoy the vape. I really enjoy the vape. Well done, well done. And then the last one we have for week 2 is going to be Summer Dreamin' by Matthew Schiefer. Damn My Eyes, or Schiefer. Not exactly sure how we pronounce that. This is a very nice summer recipe. If it was nice and warm out here, I would be vaping this all day long. But unfortunately, we are in the dead of winter. We just got like 10 inches of snow this weekend. But that aside, the recipe is 10% dilution of Inaware Cactus at 0.5%, 2% Flavor Art Kiwi, 0.5% Flavor Art Lemon Sicily, 6% Lorraine Lemonade, 1/4% Flavor Art Pear, 6% TFA Strawberry Right, 1/4% Capella Super Sweet, and 2% Capella Sweet Strawberry. get that real nice lemonade. You get that really nice lemonade flavor on it. You get a nice strawberry twinge on the tongue on the exhale. This is a very well done recipe right here. I enjoy it a lot. It's got a nice juicy mouthfeel. And you got that little kick of that super sweet in the background. It's not too sweet. It's perfect for a lemonade. Very well done. Very well done. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Just make sure if you do this, just take note that it is a dilution of the cactus. So you don't want to put 0.5% of just straight cactus. Yeah, this is and I do like the Lorenz lemonade. I use that one in all the lemonades that I've made actually. I have recently picked up a couple other ones that I haven't really played around with yet, but this one's really well done. I like it. If it was summertime, I'd be vaping this all day long. Really nice. Well done. Well done, Matthew. If I had to rate this one, I would give this 4.5. 4.5. So you don't get too much lemonade, you don't get too much strawberry. It's mixed really well. I enjoy it. So good job, guys. Good job on these. We have reached our 1,000 members in Eat, Sleep, Mix, Repeat. Good job. Keep spreading the word. Keep working on them delicious recipes. And next week we got some more good ones. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Well, until next week, you guys have a great week. Keep working on making some delicious stuff, and be good. Be good. Help each other out, and keep the DIY juices flowing.